Alrighty everybody, welcome back out on the side of Hancock Road over here near the intersection of 561, doing another monthly update on the Webb at Minneola Community. Surprisingly, a lot of construction has been done over the past month, so we're going to go ahead, get the drone up in the air so you guys can see what progress Webb has made on the Minneola Community since my last update video. As you can tell, there are currently 5 models being constructed with a current expected opening date of mid-2023, and the rate of construction with these homes currently being built, I would expect to see one or more of these homes available to walk through in the coming months. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Hope this video was useful. If you guys would like any more information on the homes being offered here in Webb Minneola, please feel free to contact me. I will leave my contact information in the section below. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.